We have done lot of audio installation. Today what we have is a vehicle which most of the customers are looking for a future upgrade. It is the audio for the future, and what we have today is the Vinfast EV vehicle. On the discussion of the customer was not really happy with the entire sounding system which comes in this EV vehicle. What we suggested to him is a good quality of sound audio. The customer wanted everything to be a stealth build. That means he don't want to see anything on the outside of the interior, so that it looks that it has come from the OEM. So what we have suggested on discussion is a fabulous audio setup, one of a kind of a setup for any EV vehicle. Let me explain you that in detail. On having a complete discussion with the customer, what we always felt is to go with an active setup. What you mean by an active setup is basically you are going to power each of the drivers separately, and we will be able to segregate all the frequency to the different drivers through a laptop and a DSP. So we just was having a discussion which kind of a speaker we have to go for. As usual, you would have seen in most of the videos of my store, we have gone with Audison. So in this, we have gone with the latest entrant of Voce, which is the Voce 2. Comes with a component and a tweeter, and that is the same setup which we were actually going for the backside as well. In this, we have a 2-channel active setup on the front side from the Voce 2, as well as a Voce 2 active channel on the backside. Now the time was for what kind of an amplifier we have to set. As the speakers are all 130 watt RMS, so we wanted to go with a very powerful amplifier, a class D amplifier. So we have chosen SR 4.5, which is going to come with 130 watts into 4. So the 4 mid bass which is going to be on the doors were actually going to get powered by this amplifier. Now choosing a DSP becomes very easy for me because there is no better brand than Audison Voce. So we just was asking the customer whether he want to add any bitrate on the later time, but he said he doesn't want to do any modification after this. So we have gone with a Voce C4.10. I just want to elaborate a little bit on a Voce C4.10, which comes with a 4-channel amplifier and 10-channel DSP. But the best part of this amplifier is you have the auto EQ input de-equalization. That means the input signal which is going to come from the head unit get de-equalized and it is sent to the output. So I will be showing certain glimpses of the tuning of this DSP as well. So let me just elaborate on the connections which is going to go for the 4.10. So the 4-channel of amplification actually is going to the 2 tweeters on the front and 2 tweeters on the back door. So the 4 channels are amplified from this 4.10. The 10 channel of the DSP is basically going to go to the 2 tweeters, 2 mid bass on the front, 2 tweeters, 2 mid bass on the back, as well as to the 2 subwoofer which we are going to get it installed from a brand called as Rockford. This has been chosen just to accommodate the space, and it is going to give a very good bass as well. So once all this was determined, we want to create an alternate source as well. So we added a beacon into this. So the beacon is connected to the Voce and it is a separate RS external source which the customer can play through by just connecting through a Bluetooth. So as usual, I said the subwoofer is taken care by the active subwoofer of Rockford. All this we want to keep it stealth. That means there is no external modification. So we have placed on the dicky and it is well placed. I will show the visuals of all that as well. The complete wiring has been done by Connections, one of the best wiring brand in the world, and it is a complete OFC kind of cables. So once all this, we ask the customer, even it's being an EV vehicle, we want to give a good soundproofing. So we have gone with 3 layers of soundproofing in that, the inner, outer, as well as on the door patch. So it's being an EV vehicle, it is one of a kind of modification we have done at RS CAR Modifiers. The best part of the Voce 4.10 is the channels which we can create. That is the presets basically as per requirement of the customer. So we have an option in a Forza 4.10 to at least give 6 channel preset, and to activate that we wanted to give the customer a separate control which will be able to change the sources as well as the preset, and it also will be able to control the subwoofer base as well. Yes, I have shown this complete build of this Vinfast. If you are having any kind of a car, let it be EV, petrol or a diesel car, and you are looking for a good audio system, you can visit RS CAR Modifiers, which is opposite to the Gopalan Mall, BTM layout. You don't have to get a very high-end setup. We will be here to support you, give the required setup which is required for your car and for your listening. For this, visit us or call us, which is the number which is given to you, or you can visit to my showroom. You can have an one-on-one talk with me. I will be able to guide you the best audio which is required for your car in a budget or above your budget, just to give a complete knowledge of the audio. Let me see you in the next video of a car audio. Cheers guys.